Here's Locket Widget app, how to make videos in Locket Widget. So here's what I will show, how to make a time travel video based on your photos. But as I understand, it's not possible to send a video in Locket Widget. So you can just tap and hold anything, but you still will just send a photo at this moment. Maybe they will add this feature, but yeah, if you are looking just to send videos in the app, you can look for the app called Live Status, for example. Anyhow, so if you just go to history and then see all of your photos, in the bottom right you see video option. This is how you can actually create a time travel video and then just share it on Snapchat, TikTok, wherever. Then you can just add it, and then you can pick specific photos. You can pick people, you can pick only like everyone or just yours lockets. Then yeah, you can, that's what you basically added. It's instant, it's pretty cool way, and then you can just share it. It's pretty cool feature, and then you can just change speed as well, and then yeah, that's how it works.